I cannot believe that you want full, healthy and long hair, yet you are sleeping on this remedy. In our quest for luscious locks, we often ignore the most straightforward and effective solutions available. This incredible remedy used for generations can transform your hair, making it stronger, shinier and more resilient. It's time to wake up to this natural marvel and make it a staple in your hair care routine for the beautiful and healthy hair you desire. So let's get into it.